Hey guys, this is Cyril Gupta, your best friend in the business, and today I have a new app review for you. It's for an app called ViralReel, and with this app, you can create reels, which are short videos that you can put on Instagram, Facebook, yes, of course. On Instagram and Facebook, these are called reels. You can make short videos for TikTok, and you can also put them on YouTube. So these cover all the most important social media networks, and reels right now, or short videos right now, are the most important or the most commonly consumed video format. People like to watch short videos more than anything else. If you go to Instagram or Facebook or TikTok, you find people viewing them all day, and on YouTube too, they are growing with an insane speed. People are making a lot more shorts, and people are watching a lot more shorts on YouTube too. So this product, this software, can create short videos for you on autopilot. You don't need to create them manually. You don't need to do more than give it a concept and some basic guidelines if you want to, and it will create the reels for you. It will create the shorts for you that you can upload to all these social networks. So let's go and check how well it works and what it can actually do. So when you log in, this is the screen. You get a nice little animation on the back end, and you will see that your account stats and top niches. Well, this is a new account. I don't have anything yet, so let's create something. By the way, it does give you a monthly earning estimate, but I'm telling you, it differs on different platforms, so just don't take it as a gospel word. Now, to get started, we need to create a campaign. Let's call it My Tomato Business. This is the typical thing I do. Select country, select language. I think both of them are fine. You have many countries and you have many languages. You can create the reels in all these languages. Right, now you will need to connect your Instagram account if you want auto posting, but I don't, so I will leave it be. I will just not connect my account. And there are two things, there are two modes. The first is the auto mode, which will create a bunch of reels, a bunch of shorts for you that you can post. It will create like a pile of shorts, like 10, 12 shorts. And the manual mode is creating each short separately. So that's what I'll do. Now you've got these different options: story, game, video with the talking head, quote video, GIF video, turn an image into a GIF. Then you've got Instagram carousel post. So you can create these four kind of posts. You can create a story and game video with you superimposed. You can create quotation videos, GIF videos, and carousel. So let's take a look at this story game video first and click on next. You got these many niches here. Let's see if there is a gardening niche in here, or plants niche, sustainable living. Let's call it sustainable living. Target audience 25-40. That's great. Now you need to put in an idea. So growing tomatoes at home in the kitchen garden. And I gotta spell tomatoes right, of course. Let's fix that. In the kitchen garden. Then you've got all these different sections. We'll proceed one by one. Click on next. I think it's generating some sort of content now. Look at these. These are the topics that you can create videos on. So in auto mode, this would have been done automatically, but let's just create two videos. Let's take a look at the topics. Sustainable living, how to turn your kitchen into a tomato paradise, growing your own tomatoes, simple, sustainable, and delicious. So because I selected sustainable as a topic, it kind of puts that in everything. I don't see a way to modify the topics. Now that would have been great if I could have done that, but there's load more, you can make more. Kitchen garden hacks, I like this topic. So we got 4 topics now. Click on next. It's generating something. Alright, so check this out. This is what it made for me. Each topic has a separate section, and there are some points in this. There's a title and there is a description. I think this is the content of the video. Then you've got tags in here. Discover how to grow your own tomatoes with ease. This video guides you through simple, sustainable methods to cultivate delicious tomatoes right at home. It looks like the SEO description to me. Yeah, this is the metadata. This is the video title, video description, and video tags. I think that's great. Click on next. Gotta wait. All the work is done by AI, of course. Everything has to be processed. It can take time. Alright, so now you have the script of the actual video. Hey there, fellow green thumbs. Today we are diving into how you can transform your kitchen into a tomato paradise. Seems like quite a long script. If you ask me, I think it's about 2 minutes. And then there is an option for face narration. Let's turn it on and you can upload your photograph. So I will upload a photograph of mine. Let me find something from here. I think I should have a photograph here, something that I might like. Yep, this will do. So you need to do that for every image. Well, I wish there was a way to set it on all of them. That would have been a lot faster. So gotta select every one of them. Okay, these two I will leave without face narration because we want to check out what it produces, right? All right, let's click on next. Please upload at script 3. So it seems this is vital. You need to have face images. All right, we can do that. If you're gonna create 12, it's a little more irksome, but that's okay. It's not. It's 2 seconds per file uploaded. Click on next. And now you've got amazing backgrounds that you can use in your video. Like these are gaming backgrounds, very common in brain loop style kind of videos. I'll take this one. This is fine. Yeah. Click on next. Okay, so you need foreground audio, foreground media. I will foreground. I don't know what that means honestly. It means probably the video that you want to superimpose. I will leave it be. Then it says publishing. I don't want to publish it. I just want to see them. And it really made nice thumbnails, by the way. Look at these. These thumbnails look really attractive. And on short videos, thumbnails are a little less important because the videos show up in the feed and people don't get a chance to select the views. But when they come to your channel, they will see the thumbnails, which is great. Click on next, and then you've got these voices, a lot of different options in here. I see bunches of voices.
AI Offices is the next level, revolutionary app that lets you build.
All right, AI Offices, that's another app from the publishers. I promoted that too some time ago. Click on next. I think it's generating the videos now and that might take a little time. Let me come back to it in a second. So that took about 15 seconds, 10 seconds, and look at this. Generating slides, it's making slides now, and you can download the thumbnail till then. So we're going to wait a little while it generates the slides and everything else that's required. We'll come back shortly. So I'm back after about 5 minutes, and now you can see we've got content over here that says awaiting customizations. So I'm wondering, I have to click on edit, I suppose. Yeah. So, you know, you've got this nice video which is playing. There is a script here and I don't know what, I think it's waiting for something probably. Let's hit play and see what happens.
Hey there, fellow green thumbs. Today, we're diving into how you can transform your kitchen into a tomato paradise. Imagine plucking fresh, juicy tomatoes right from your countertop. Sounds amazing, right? Let's get started. First up,
Alright, so I'm gonna hit render and let's see what happens. Rendering initiated successfully, downloading resources. Let's also try to render the other things. Render and more render. Here we go, render again, edit. And let's take another look at it. You got me over here this time, which is different from the last one. And there's a wait icon over here. If you click on this, hide timeline, it's not hiding though. This should be for redo and undo. Okay, something is up with this one. Maybe it's still waiting for resources, probably yes. So we'll try to click on preview. No, that's not working yet. So I think this is not done yet, but we can hit render. No, we cannot. So I'll just go back. Let's refresh it. Let's go to dashboard and go to the section from here. Okay, so rendering, download resources, rendering. Let's see if we can get it to render to. Edit. Okay. I'm not able to get into this one for some reason. Let's try this one. Edit. Yeah, this one loaded, but it's a wait icon here. Should I try coming back after 5 more minutes? Probably. Yeah, probably. Meanwhile, this is still rendering, so I'll come back again. Alright, so I was able to put this video on rendering too, and this one is rendering 89%, this one is still downloading resources, but this one, render successful. It says render successful. So let's try downloading the video and actually seeing what it made. It's 115 MBs. This has been going on actually longer than this one, but for some reason this one completed pretty fast and this one is still pending, and I couldn't get this one to render. Let me try one more whilst we're here. Hey, this finally showed up, right? This was okay. Now it's waiting again for some reason. Okay, I'll click on render. Now it says rendering, so we will probably see it in a few minutes too. Let's check this out. Yeah, now all 4 videos are in some process of rendering. Let's see the output.
Are you dreaming of homegrown tomatoes but short on space? No worries. Today, I'm sharing my top hacks for growing juicy tomatoes even in the tiniest areas. Whether you are in an apartment or just have a small balcony, these tips are for you. First up, choose the right variety. Cherry or patio tomatoes are excellent for small spaces. They're compact and thrive in containers. Next, let's talk containers. Opt for a deep pot, at least 12 inches wide and deep. This gives roots room to grow and supports your plants.
So I guess it needs something seems to be missing. There has to be my photograph here and I don't see the text in there.
Overall health. Now, on to
I think if they put that element in, it would be really a cool software. Meanwhile, this video is also completed, so let's look at this one. Download it. Remember, I'm still in pre-launch, and this is before the software goes live. It'll go live in a little while, like in a day or so. So I think if whatever little things are there, the developers should be able to resolve them if there is something that is glitchy, but not really sure of the output that I should be getting.
The
audio changed. The visual looks similar.
You've come to the right place. Let's dive into eco-friendly.
Okay. So these 2 videos rendered, but I think these are still in the queue. So I guess I will be able to check them later. But I've given you a brief overview of the app, and let me see if I missed anything. We saw the campaigns part. This is where things happen. In library, you should, okay, there is add niches. So let's try that. Add niche, gardening. That's my niche, always is in my videos. Click on add. Now we have the gardening niche. So you can collect your keywords. You can have ideas for your niche. It's kind of, a way to organize things, right? So that's fun part. That's a fun thing that you can do. You can schedule publishing if you've connected your Facebook or Instagram account, which I have not, but you can connect it from your account. By the way, it has agency features, so you can have clients and all. You can see the schedule that you have for the videos over here. Then there is an AI coach. Let me just try to get it working. New conversation. So it's like an AI. Okay, so it can help you grow your YouTube channel. What should I do to get the maximum viewership for my tomato gardening video? Let's see. So it's got some great tips like have a content strategy, optimize your videos, select your audience segment and promote it, and try to be trending, have quality production, analyze the performance. So these are the basic ideas that it gave me. Can you give me 5 ideas for tomato gardening videos? Let's try that. So it gives you whatever you want to be able to run your channel correctly and to grow your channel, which is interesting. There is also the follower generator, and boost your affiliate site traffic with AI powered automation. Automates the creation and publishing of engaging short form videos. Create powerful audience engagement with AI based Q&A outreach. What does this do? Let's tomato business, create new content. Okay, so let's find relevant questions in Quora. Click on next. All right, friendly answers, that's fine. Pull content from existing blog. We have nothing like that. We don't want to put in any additional information or upload a document. Click on next. I think what it's going to do for you is it's going to give you a set of questions and answers that you can use, or messages that you can use to post to people. We're going to wait for it a little while. We'll just come back when it generates. Check this out. It's connected to my sustainable living, but it's not connected to tomatoes, probably. I think I gave that topic. So you've got this, it's generating. We'll come back. Till then, let's check out integrations. You can integrate your Instagram account, your Pinterest, Reddit, Facebook, YouTube, Sonority, Video Reel, and 11 Labs. So if you click on Facebook, for example, you'll be taken to Facebook, where you can post content to your timeline. And the same thing you can do for Reddit. So you need to have admin, something different over here actually. When I clicked on Reddit, yeah, I think this requires work. You can also post on Pinterest, and you can just give permissions to the app and it will post for you on your behalf. Similarly, you can also post on Instagram, right? So then you can post to your Instagram page. So that's what integrations does. I'm gonna cancel this and come back to follower generator. I had a project here somewhere. Authority building, AI powered Q&A outreach. I don't know if where it is. It was generating. Let's go to dashboard. It should be listed there, I think. Okay, I don't see it there. Not yet. Okay. My campaigns. This would be my video campaign. Let's come back to follower generator. Click on continue. And we have this campaign, my tomato business. View content history. I think this is where you will see the work that you did. Yes, over here. So it's still generating though. All right. What else do we have here? AI generated Pinterest pins and boards, automated PDF guides, automated video syndication, and AI enhanced link building and guest posting. These are all the options you have in there. Well, this was a comprehensive review of the app, and again, if you like this app and you want to purchase it, you got to do it from my link, and I'll give you the reason why, because then I can give you access to all my high quality apps that I created, and you can get access to all of these applications absolutely free of cost. This is a part of my Technique Force Rewards program, and you can go to techniqueforcerewards.in to see a little bit of a introduction. There's a small video over here that shows you how it works. By the way, it's on full autopilot. When you purchase, your points are credited automatically, and your account is created automatically, so you don't need to do anything. It just shows up. So if you want to purchase this product, get it from my link, and I will see you on the inside. This is Cyril Gupta, the best friend in your business, signing off.